Now look at this Aarti's report. This report is showing before the blood test, and this report is showing after the blood test. And you have to observe, and you have to observe this report. See, in first report, Aarti, age is 12, she is female, and the anemia. Then a normal range of the hemoglobin, 12 to 16. But that in this report, the Aarti's range of hemoglobin is showing only 8 gram or DL. Now after the blood test, they see Aarti same age 12, female, anemia, and normal age 12 to 16, means the normal age of female, hemoglobin, normal age range of hemoglobin in female's body, that should be between 12 to 16 gram or DL. Now this report, in this report, Aarti's hemoglobin is increasing. Before, in previous there was only 8 gram. Now this report is showing 10.5 gram, means it's increasing by, because she taking lots of iron tablet and iron rich food. That's why her hemoglobin HB is increasing now. Now see, look at Aarti's blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. Minimum required hemoglobin is between 12 to 16 gram or DL. How much did Aarti's hemoglobin go up, and how long did it take for that? Now hemoglobin went up from 8 gram DL to the 10.5 gram DL in 3 months. Now see, you can see the date 26 so 20 June 2007, and this report is on which date, 15 September 2007. Means within 3 months her hemoglobin went up. What does the newspaper report say about the problems caused by anemia? Means what is the symptoms of the anemia? Physical and mental health, and the children not grow well and have less energy, and they do not concentrate on a study. This problem are showing in this report. Now see, how you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test, when or why. You have to write your own answer here. Here also you have to write what was found out by the blood test in that person report, and how you had a health checkup in your school. What did the doctor tell you? Now find out, ask a doctor or elders about the food items which contain iron. So you have to find out the iron rich food items. Now see, baby mosquito, Jaskirat says there is a poster on malaria just outside our class. Okay, there is a poster showing the awareness of the malaria. So what is in that poster? We will see. Are you inviting mosquito? Are you inviting mosquito? Beware. So they sprayed malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Who sprayed malaria, dengue and chikungunya? Mosquitoes. Now, for taking precaution from prevent ourselves from the mosquitoes, from the malaria and dengue and chikungunya. Now what should we have to do? We have to do, see, don't let water collect around your house and fill up the pits. We have to clear surrounding area of our house. We will not let water collect around our house, and keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. We should clean all these things, water pots, coolers, tanks, whatever, inside our house and outside our house. They should be dry every week also. Now use mosquito nets to protect ourselves when we sleep. Before going to bed, we have to protect ourselves by set up the nets of the mosquito, and spray kerosene in water has collected at some places. So if water has collected in front of the house, in the tire, in the pit, in that water we can spray kerosene, rockle of in water. So due to that, mosquito eggs will not grow up inside that water. Now see, the poster says something about larva. What is that? Larva is nothing but larva is a the mosquito eggs. I will show you the life cycle of the mosquito. You will understand better in that part. Now see, Nancy, they are baby mosquito. Larva means baby mosquito, but they do not look like the mosquito at all. They are looking like a small brownish thread. Now you can see the larva here. Larva seen through hand lens. Now see, you can see the larva. It is a baby mosquito. Now Aarti said, where did you see them? Where you see the larva? Now see, Nancy, there was an old pot lying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I saw some tiny thread like grey thing swimming. I was surprised when Mummy told me that this had come out of the eggs which mosquitoes lay in the water. When mosquito lies in the eggs in the water, no, that time it's come out from that eggs that look like a thread like grey color, and that is larva. That is a baby mosquito. They are called larva, and I also hear something about this on the radio. So when mosquito lays eggs in the water, no, from that eggs some thread like some tiny thread like grey color come out, and that is baby mosquito. That is baby of the mosquito, that called larva. Now Rajesh said, what do you do, Nancy? Papa immediately threw away the water and he cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside down, and so that no water would collect. So what her father did? Her father immediately threw away that water and cleaned that pot and dry that pot into the sunlight, and they kept upside down of that pot. Jaskira said, Shaizia auntie told me that even flies spread disease, especially stomach problem. Flies also spread disease like mosquito. Raja said, but flies do not bite. Then how do they spread disease? Now we will see how flies also spread the disease and what is the life cycle of the mosquito. We will see in the next video.